Everything begins with one of the most abundant materials on Earth, sand. But not just any sand, high-purity silica. Through extreme heat and precision chemistry, sand transforms into one of the purest materials on Earth, silicon. Atoms are aligned with near-perfect precision, forming the heart of every solar panel. These massive ingots are sliced into ultra-thin wafers, thinner than paper, yet incredibly powerful.
This is where silicon becomes alive, capable of turning sunlight into electricity. Individually weak, but together powerful. Cells are linked to form a working unit. Multiple layers come together to protect and enhance performance. Heat and vacuum seal the panel, locking all layers into a single durable unit.
Now the panel gets its strength and its connection to the world. Before reaching the world, every panel must prove its power. From factory floors to rooftops worldwide, the journey of clean energy begins. From simple grains of sand to a technology powering the future, solar panels are more than machines. They are a revolution.
From busy ports to endless solar fields, this is where human power meets the power of the sun. A journey of innovation, turning industry and sunlight into the energy of tomorrow.